you were a judge today for the competition, so can you talk to me a little bit about what the judges look for in this competition?
Some insider trading. Okay, so check it out now.
Okay, we're gonna count down from 10.
When I got here this morning, I was nervous as ever.
9.
Real nervous, heart pounding.
8.
The second I started working, then I got the little shakes.
7.
We do this every day at work, but
6.
it's a whole different atmosphere.
5.
I don't like when people watch over my shoulder.
4.
But you got to remind yourself to, keep calm and stick to what you know.
2.
Try to stay focused.
1. Begin.
We're here in Ohio. We're doing an apprentice competition.
We're in the District Challenge Training Center of Local 21 in Chicago.
We're at the BAC complex here in Philadelphia.
For the Northeast Regional Apprentice Contest.
I want to wish everybody a good luck. 9 o'clock, we'll get started.
All of our apprentices that are competing here are vying for a spot at the national competition in Boston.
I've never been to Boston before, so it'll be a cool experience. I mean, win or lose, it'll be just awesome to go.
To go from your local level to a national contest somewhere with the best in the country, that really says something about what you do.
It's almost like being asked to play in the Super Bowl or the Pro Bowl.
It's a testament to the dedication that they've put into their training throughout the years that they've been BAC apprentices.
It was a way for me to see where I'm at, to see what it's like working with different people around the United States.
And also to see if you place and win, it's also a good motivation for you to keep working harder.
So we had a clean floor space, give them all the room in the world.
Just doing a mock shower.
Mud set a floor, and then tile the floor and tile the 2 walls.
Just a couple different pointing sections, patching, 9-brick inlay, caulking.
I've been hammering stone and listening to the stone, making sure it cracks where it wants to crack.
Waterproofing. It's a little bit of everything. All the skills that we might need or use in the real job site.
All of which has to be done in 4 hours.
The judges are in there. They are looking at the heights, the measurements, the widths.
Are they keeping everything clean? Are they working safe?
Level, plumb, and square.
And they take off points for every flaw.
The winner could be just a fraction of something that separates you from first to fifth.
But it's definitely stressful, and all the eyes watching you don't make it any easier.
There is that sense that we're in this together. We all had to come through the same system that brought us here today, and may the best man or woman win.
The sweat was pouring off from them, and we saw everything from joy to frustration. It was intense.
When you're out on the field and you're working, you see what you put in at the end of the day, but nobody else does. This allows us all to see what you're capable of and what you're bringing to the table.
We go to work every day and do the best we can, but to get acknowledged for what we do and how meticulous we are and how much effort we put in, it really feels good to be somewhere where I'm appreciated,
It felt good to be able to represent on behalf of the local.
For someone to compete at that level with so few years in our industry and produce the projects that they produce, truly amazing, and they should be so proud.
All right, for the moment we've been waiting for.
You ready for the winners? Yeah. All right.
Just so you know, no matter what place you came in, you guys are representing 14 states, 12 different locals and ADCs. Everybody should walk out of this place with their head hung high.
Competing today really did mean a lot.
Having placed, I was actually kind of shocked. I had some pretty stiff competition today, so placing actually feels great.
Miles Elfrey from Local 21 here in Chicago.
Building a project like this, it's like to see the final project, I built that. You know, it feels so good. And I'm just super excited for the next competition in Boston.
First place, congratulations to Garrick Manning, Ohio, Kentucky.
I actually won. Wasn't expecting it, but it ended up going in my favor.
It's a very special thing to be at the top of your field. It shows just how much dedication that you've put in, and it's a really big deal to bring that trophy home to your local.
First thing I did was call my teacher and be like, guess what? We're going to nationals, baby.
They went through a local contest, a regional contest, and then this is it. This is the premier one.
It's a big deal. It feels like a big deal.
They're the best of the best.
You can see it in their eyes how excited they are to be here, to compete, to know that they're in the top tier of their craft.
I feel proud and I like support my local.
I'm looking to win.
Not as much sleep as I like to, but I feel fine, feel good.
Enjoy the moment. It's fun to compete with other apprentices across the nation. We'll see how it goes.
Good luck, man.
So 72 out of 8,000. They say any given Sunday. Well, today it's any given Saturday. You can be the best in the craft for this day. So good luck to all of you. Look forward to seeing your work.
Excited.
You excited?
Oh yeah.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. Don't need it.
I think the margin is real close. It's pretty much going to get down to the nitty-gritty as far as heights, plumb, level, following the specs.
Any day can be anybody's project. I mean, sometimes your brick go a little bit this way and you don't have any control over it.
Our apprentice competition. It's really highlighting how they strive for perfection, how we build the cities, how we build the schools, how we build the infrastructure, and how our jobs can't be exported.
The best hands in the business.
In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job.
Just providing something like this for the apprentices is it gives them incentive, you know, and it gives them a memory that they'll never forget.
I'd like to see them really enjoy it, and you know, this is a once-in-a-lifetime moment for them.
You just walk around and you can see it, that our future in the masonry industry is in good hands with all these young people, you know. That's what it's all about. That's what all the training's about.
They earned this trip here.
Every one of them is a winner. Obviously, you got to have somebody first, second, and third, but to get to this level, they're all exceptional at the craft.
I mean, if it's what their passion is, that's all that matters. They're working hard to show their families, hey, I'm not just doing this for me, I'm doing this for us. And at the same time, it's going to be here forever.